RiskAdvisor is the first interactive platform enabling businesses to easily and cost-effectively benchmark their risk and improve risk management. RiskAdvisor draws on hazard risk assessment big data covering over 600 industries and 60 risk areas. Our data includes content from AM Best, monitoring over 16,000 insurance companies globally. The RiskAdvisor dashboard allows you to produce a risk profile for your client in either QuickRisk or Deep Risk mode. Let's take a look at how to create a quick risk profile in less than 10 minutes on individual and/or multiple risk areas to, firstly, provide guidance on key risk industry exposures. 2. Provide industry-specific benchmarking for key risks to focus management and insurance attention. 3. Capture positive risk control information to support insurance and good management practice activities. And 4. Produce a concise risk profile report. Once you've logged in, click on the Start Risk Assessment button to begin the discovery phase of the assessment. For an existing client, select them from the drop-down list. For a new client, click on Add Client. Fill in the fields with all your available information. Data entry is mandatory for fields marked with a red asterisk. To give your client access to the risk profile, select Client Login Details. Enter a username and email address for your client, then select the Next button. This will take you to Step 2. Here, select QuickRisk from the drop-down. In Step 3, you'll select which industry your client is in. Either enter the client's industry name or description, or enter their ANSIC code to begin searching. Choose a matching industry, then click Proceed. You can now proceed to build your client's risk profile with an assessment that is based on the top insurable risks for your client's chosen industry. If you want to include the broader selection of business risks, then select Business Risks from the Risk Content area. The graph highlights the industry benchmark for each risk area. If you click on a tick to the left of risk areas, this will deselect the risk area, thus enabling the quick risk process to be further streamlined. Click on each of the risk area labels to see the typical risk exposures for the industry and risk area. On the right-hand side are the typical risk controls the client should consider. Go through each control and select from In Place, Planned, or Not Applicable. Check what the insurance cover status is, including what actions the advisor needs to take, for example, obtain a quote, then select Confirm. Once you have completed the quick risk phase, click Proceed to review the uninsured risks selection. It will assist you to record any insurance actions or quotations that may be required to ensure all the client's risks are covered. For each of the client's uninsured risks, you can review whether they have insurance in place, need a quote, want to retain the risk, or if the risk is not applicable to their business. If a quote is required, fill in the broker comments, assign the task to someone, and add the date the quote is required. This will appear in the final report. If there is an uninsured risk that is not listed, you can add it by simply clicking the Add Risk icon here. Once this is done, click on Proceed to see the client risk profile. You can view the risk profile on screen, download, or email it. Just select the appropriate icon. The report is in Word format and contains the risk areas, the potential exposure to those areas, as well as the potential controls and the status of those controls. Finish the assessment by clicking on the Finish button.